Yo, yo. This flathead is shitty. Nah, I'm gonna put this one out. I don't like this one. We gon' show the world. What's up, man? What's up, Kevin B? How you doing, my good brother? Oh, nothing to do this podcast. I'm on live doing a podcast right now. I called you. All right. All right. What's up, people? You know I'm gonna play a video, right? Kevin B, you gonna like this video. Just a big old recap. I'm gonna play the video that you sent me with Cook Adams something about these women. Now he said these courts don't play. They don't this and do that. Man, we got too many pussy ass niggas walking around America, man. That's all I'm gonna tell you, man. Too many pussy ass niggas. We ain't got enough men to put these hoes in check. Right? Who all on here? What's going on? I'm live. This motherfucker should be full. This motherfucker should be full, but we already know what time it is. Yeah, I'm live, man. Yeah, I'm about to play a video, but I'm gonna put up some pictures. I'm gonna show y'all, give you a little history. But yeah, come on, chime on in, man. Chime on in. All right. Yeah, man, fellas. Sham Stoppers was put here to give you some reality about your situation. All right. We here for reality purposes. We ain't here for no fantasies. We ain't here for no what ifs, what could be, all that. Let me put a picture up for y'all. Let me put some on your mind right now. Let me put some on you fellas' mind. Yes, sir. Let me put some on y'all mind right now. I'm about to show y'all something. We're gonna do a nice little recap. Niggas getting punked in court, bullied and punked by these little demons right here. Look at it like, yeah, we got them by the balls. Yeah, we got them by the balls. If any nigga on YouTube has went to court, got a podcast, or been ran through by these women, you are not a man. You are not in a man status, nigga. You in bitch status. Cause I be damned if I let a bitch tell me the weakest motherfucker on the planet, a motherfucker who bleeds 7 days and still lives, to tell me what to do with my cum. Bitch, you out your mind. I don't care if you sit at this. I don't care if a bitch is a Supreme Court justice, bitch. Goes the same thing for that hoe too. See, we got all these cuck males out here giving bitches authority. And let's be honest, these bitches got authority over weak men. Sham Stoppers, ho! There you go. You know what I mean? Women do not fight wars, fellas. They fucking them. So how the fuck they gonna have say so what you do with your offspring? You got stupid. I got a woman lawyer. These are the bitches right here on this screen who helped out the pumpkin. Real talk. I put this book up a long time ago. I told y'all to go get this book. I'm gonna give you the title of this book. I told y'all to go get this book. Because you got a lot of YouTubers, they don't fucking read, but they know the goddamn law. Ain't that some funny shit? A real successful law student reads books. All these lawyers that y'all don't even never heard of and seen come out on big cases and stuff, they too busy reading, man. They ain't got time for validation. That's why they got shit. Been trying to get niggas the game since day one. You don't see real successful lawyers on no petty ass cases. But yeah, I'm gonna play this video for y'all. Right? Because a lot of these niggas out here getting punked in court. Let me stop sharing these hoes. These are some no good hoes. These are some no good hoes. They stopped men getting custody of their children. And now they want y'all to go through all this red tape to get your children. Man, fuck all that. You don't go through no red tape. Go make you some more goddamn children with an obedient woman. Because they out here. And don't go overseas, go get some nasty bitch like these passport niggas who can't get pussy over here. You want some pussy, just ask for it. Ask for some, goddamn it. But anyway, let me keep going. Let me stop saying this shit. Let me put this book up. Peace. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, brother? Let me show y'all something. This the name of the book. See, that's like with yesterday, with the Caucasian boy and the brother at the track meet. See, that's why that shit happened, because both parents of that white boy and the black dude, both of their parents failed. Because I ain't never heard no shit like that at the motherfucking track meet, because the women run their motherfucking house. Because a real man would have told his children, don't put your hands on nobody. Go get an adult. See, these bitch ass niggas on YouTube don't want to talk that. They don't want to talk that real talk shit. Somebody, you can't just tell kids ain't gonna keep. Yeah, they is. Children gonna keep they fucking hands to themselves, and that's when you start taking away their fucking privileges, nigga. Train up a child the way he should go, and when he what departs, he will not what? He will not depart from it. Train up a child the way he should go. When he get older, he will not depart or apart from it. Right? Reforming a corrupt family court system where it was corrupt. See, these hoes say it was corrupt because the father was in charge and had the children, which that was his seed, right? But the bitch want to have the benefit. They find out if they get welfare off the children, they can use the children, pimp the child. See, women pimp children. And like I told y'all, you got all these black bitches defending the black boy for stabbing the white boy, talking about, yeah, he got what he deserved and this and that. But at the same juncture, go to these folks on this screen to go beg for motherfucking child support. Nigga, you can't make this shit up, nigga. These whole ass niggas can't call it out because they not that intelligent. We the only ones at Sham Stoppers, we call out the bullshit. Stopping the bullshit before it starts. Ho! See, that's why I'm dip and dab in that racist shit, because both sides are hypocrites. Hypocrites. Right? Both sides are hypocrites. I don't fuck with hypocrites, nigga. I fuck with real men. Y'all need to get a hold to this book right here called The Women of Fucking Court Watch. I put this book up long time ago. Motherfuckers still, man, I'm trying to fight. This shit will help you, give you reasons, open up your fucking mind and your brain to new avenues of fucking thinking. And the reason why motherfuckers is on child support because they can't fucking think. Because they let another motherfucker next to them think for themselves, think for them. Instead of thinking for themselves. Can't nobody do no thinking for me, motherfucker. I think for myself. I know how to say no. I know when something's a shitty deal, no. Nah, I ain't doing that. Make me do it, motherfucker. That's the type of dude I am. I live the way I talk. The bitches of court watch. These bitches sat out and rallied for 3 months outside the courthouse that I went with my client at this courthouse in Houston. Let me stop sharing this. Let me go to the next slide. We're going to play this shit. What's up, Felipe? He said, hi. Shalom, Mr. Blue. Look at this bitch. She camped out. Felipe took my advice. Worry about his money and worry about them children later because they want to be in charge of the children. Let the bitch in the court. That's their child now. When he get 18 years old, guess what? He going to come back to you. Whatever is yours has to return, fellas. Remember what I said today. Whatever is yours, it has to return. That's why you supposed to be out here doing man shit and ignoring the petty shit, the mommy shit, the mommy duties, nigga. Let these bitches have the mommy duties. Real talk. And if your child get killed, get under her watch, guess what? It's her fault. Just like them two kids got killed, guess what? It's the parents' fault they got killed because not one of them niggas couldn't sit down to their children and say, keep their fucking hands to themselves. Both of them. Motherfuckers. Most of society is retarded. I'm from the old school, nigga. Respect, that's all what matters. You keeping your fucking hands to yourself. But look at here. This bitch been out here for 1 year, 162 days of a protest. Look at her. She got her Ray Charles glasses on, and she up here for a fight. Like, I'm going to stay out here till I have my way. And one of these bitches died, fellas, because she got the good old boys kicked off the bench. And one night, one of these bitches was walking in the daytime, walking in the dark, and a car hit her. One of the good old boys killed her. Unsolved mystery, nigga. But these bitches will go to the ends of the earth to use these children so they can get them some change in their motherfucking pocket. They had to make a change to get some change in their motherfucking pocket. Let me go to the next bitch. Let me send you a picture of a cup. That's why these cups are behind this shit. Why these cups are behind this shit. Look at this cup. Do it look like he get pussy? Do it look like bitches would fight over him and drool over him? No. He looked like he begs for pussy. He wanted to do a big favor so he can fuck. This is the Captain Saver hoe. He didn't make a lot of money. He didn't get rich off of this. That's how I know. Go to the next slide. Because I'm going to play the video in a few minutes. You got niggas out here getting pumped and bullied. You know what I mean? Pumped and bullied. Kevin B, this one for you, my brother. Kevin B, this is for you with this next slide I'm finna pull up. What did it say right there? Let me blow it up some more. How do you spell extortion? Ed Lightem. We had a conversation the other day about this shit. I was down here in Harris County, fellas, in 2018, 2019. Yeah. Yeah. Fellas, what's so funny about this word ad litem, right? Is a bunch of bullshit. And guess what, fellas? You didn't waive your rights to fatherhood. You didn't give up your parental rights. They interfering with parental rights. That's what they're saying. Right? These bitches cried wolf for so long. These bitches reformed the child support. It's already been reformed. But you got these dumbass niggas out here on other channels talking about we need to reform child support. They don't read, man. Reading is boring to a dumb person. Reading is not fun to a dummy, to an illiterate nigga. Bunch of bullshit. Let me pull up some more slides. Let me put this last slide up for y'all. And then I'm going to play the video. I went to this place right here. Stop the corruption now. See, I'm going to tell you something. Another reason why these bitches reform child support, because the man had the financial advantage. The man had the financial advantage. And what else did we learn the other night? The tender years doctrine, right? Right? So let me tell you something. I've been seeing a lot of people talking about black folks to segregate from white folks. And if they did, guess what? Guess how their child support system will be? Fucked off. They wouldn't have no money. Child support will go broke. Because the black bitch is the number one bitch now that gets child support. Right? So you got to be careful what you ask for, and what type of games you playing. That's why I say it's a lot of dumb motherfuckers on the face of this planet, especially in this country. Take a chill pill because everybody stab everybody, everybody shoot everybody, everybody kill everybody. We passed the colorism bullshit over here at this channel. It's intelligence versus dumbass. That's what this channel is about. It's intelligent versus dumbass, and we the intelligent ones. And that's why I tell niggas when they come over here, get your money up, get your bread up, go find you a trade, anything, learn the stock market, because we got all these stock market experts on the internet. I ain't need to shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, make your money. Stop trying to seek validation and shit. Make your money in silence, motherfucker, because you don't see Mercedes and Ferrari going at their throats. You'll never see that shit. Keep your finances private, fellas. Real talk. Because as soon as you open your mouth and you tell a bitch how much money you got, you're going to be on this motherfucking screen. Like I'm finna show y'all in this goddamn video. For being a fucking nice man. Let me play the goddamn video. We need more cussing now. How you in the military, you don't fucking cuss. That's all I heard growing up was fucking cussing.
We're giving her a total of $350 today. You have it in your pocket?
I do.
You just walk right over and you hand that to Miss Vogt right now. Do you have anything?
This is fair use. Did you hear what this bitch just done to him? Did you hear what this bitch just done to him? She's a dirty bitch, a weak bitch. She won't act like this when she leave that bench and if you see her on the street, nigga. She won't act like this. I'm going to tell you where you can find these people like this. You can find them at wineries, museums, book signings. You can find these type of people at boring places where y'all dare not to go. That's where you find them at. Let me play this video. Fair use.
I do.
You just walk right over and you hand that to Miss Vogt right now. Do you have anything else in your wallet?
Yeah. Like
any other cash? How
yeah.
much?
Enough for gas for the rest of the week to get my daughter to school.
How much is it?
$20, maybe a little more.
Yep. Walk exactly all the money you have right now over to Miss Vogt.
350 is what he just handed me.
Yes, and he's going to hand you all the other cash in his wallet right now.
What y'all think about that? What y'all think about that video? Huh? I'm going to play the rest of it, but what do y'all think about it? What y'all think about it, man? She told this man, hand it right over. And then you can tell he done signed some shit too. He's compliant because he agreed. That's the child support program. The child support program. And then Marcus Bowman, tell your homeboy where you at. My apologies. It really ain't no public policy. It's a program. Child support is a program. We're going to give it what it really is. It's a fucking program. That's all it is. It was somebody's idea, which when you come from an idea from the brain, so you can program somebody else to make you believe that this is what it is. Okay? I'm going to say it again. It was an idea. Hold on a second, fellas. Hold on a second. Wait a minute. Ooh, I'm on one today, boy. Hold on just a second. Let me mute myself. Yeah, I had to answer a phone call, fellas. What you say? It's extortion and bullying. Yeah, she said walk that money right over there. I want to thank uh uh the trick, Mr. Trickery, Black Cook Adams for this video. Mr. Trickery pay a pro tricking ain't easy, you know what I mean? Cause I ain't paying for no pussy. I'm sorry. Sorry, but not sorry.
I have everybody. Okay, so I have child support. I wasn't expecting child support. We will go on the record in Polk County case.
Now, with people fucking with me, a lot of they shit don't be on the record because with the paperwork they filed, they're not gonna put that on the record. See, they can choose to put stuff on the record if they want to. Certain cases. Now, what I want y'all to pay attention, look real good. Look at this setting over here. Do this look like a real court? Do it look like the trial that these people over here finna be on? That this boy finna be on? Do it look like this? It ain't gonna be the same courtroom. So, okay, number one, you don't go to a real court. This is a business meeting, fella. Where's the jury at? Ain't no jury over there. Huh? Where the jury at? But they gonna use these bitch ass motherfuckers right here as the jury. Right? Let me keep going.
Number 09PA08PJ. In re the paternity of Chase Dosh. Appearances are we have all parties appear.
Okay, this is a paternity case. So he signed it like a dumbass, and all paternity cases automatically are court orders. They converted them to court orders. They not gonna read and tell you that. So I got two people who ain't signed this shit. One won, and we in the process of winning one in Indiana. He not gonna sign it. Because you don't have to do a paternity case through these people. Because if you did, they wouldn't sell private paternity kits on the public market. Right? Fellas, I'm going to be honest with you. Some of these people, a lot of these people in this court system now, that they change for the women, they need their ass beat. They need to be caught and gave a good ass whooping.
Hearing in person in Polk County Courthouse. This court appears by video conferencing from Burnett County. We're set here today for a hearing that I scheduled due to the last time we were in court. I issued a sanctions order with specific things that must be complied with by Mr. Dosh. I have had 2 correspondence letters from Ms. Vogt, which does indicate that he has not complied. We have Christine Vogt in person without counsel. We have Cole Dosh in person without.
Now, what's embarrassing is he getting beat up by this fat bitch, right? She don't even have a lawyer, right? But this hoe is on this whole side, right? These people on her side, which is a what? Conflict of interest, fellas. All child support cases are conflict of interest. Okay? You hear me? All child support cases is for the woman now because I just showed you in the book. The women took it over now. It's a woman's thing. Okay? Real talk. Real talk. Let me play it.
Without counsel, Joseph Loso from the Polk County Corporation Council Child Support with the child support agent with him. appearing. The court has reviewed and received the two correspondences from Ms. Vogt as it relates to allegations of failing to abide by and meet the court's purge requirements as it relates to the sanctions order. Before I begin, I'm going to have both parties raise your right hand. And again, I'll let everybody know it looks like I'm raising my wrong hand. I am not. It just flips me in the video. So please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Before I begin with the parties, I am going to ask for an update.
Let me tell y'all something. That don't mean hill of beans or nothing, because they're not gonna believe him if you put your hands up or not. That don't mean nothing. Them words don't mean nothing. You got to put that shit on paper. You got to have a sworn affidavit. You got to have an affidavit on record, fellas.
From Mr. Loso as it relates to the child support part of the court's sanction. Mr. Loso, do you have an update?
I do, Your Honor. Mr. Dosh is in fact employed at B&M Utility Locating. I think his official start date was February 24th of 2025. He is due to receive his first paycheck from that employment on March 7th.
Now, you ready for this, fellas? In the application, it says that the state don't represent her, but guess what they're doing? They're representing her. They in here lying. That's why they all need their fucking ass beat for lying and playing with you. They're lying. They are lying out their fucking teeth. Go read the application. They ain't supposed to be nothing. They ain't supposed to be doing nothing. That's what I'm saying, fellas. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hunt down all these. I'm gonna try to hunt down all these superstars' child support cases, and I want to read them myself because I don't be believing half the shit that these gossipers on YouTube be talking about. Because most of these niggas are gossipers, like bitches. Real talk. She making them read his shit, but came to saying she ain't got no lawyer. It's her and the state versus him. And what's crazy, her and the state did business together. They signed a contract together. But ain't nobody went in his court to tell him not to sign the shit. Right? So really, he's the victim. Right? These are the aggressors. And this bitch, she aggressive too. She's the aggressor.
Of 2025, in the month of February, no payments were made, but there have been contact with B&M Utility Locating. It does sound like we are in the process of getting set up, and Mr. Dosh does seem to.
Let me tell y'all something, fellas. Let me tell y'all something. Once the bitch denies you of seeing your child, your son or daughters, write all of them off. It's over with. That ain't your family. Those are not your children. Unless you gonna fight for them, fight for them. But me, the dude I am, when my children's madness did me like this and put me in this program, try to volunteer me in this program, I cut them off. I don't know none of you motherfuckers. And if you want to get to know me, come suck my dick. I want a good dick sucking for you to know me. If these female lawyers or judges want to get to know you, tell them to come suck your dick. Because that's what this court case is about, your dick and balls. What came out of your balls, because we all ball juice. Well, why still you talking crazy? Well, shit, they talking crazy thinking you owe them some money for something you created. They went in the fucking bedroom. Now, a lot of niggas want to play court and shit instead of be a motherfucking man. They got an old saying, you can't make a grown man do right. Right? They got a stupid, you can't make a grown man do right by what? That's my question. Do right by what? Who's right, nigga? I got my own rights. I got a right to be left alone, motherfucker. See, motherfuckers don't like this type of talk because they up to no good. And they up on some bullshit. That's why I don't smile in motherfucking public. I don't want, everybody ain't gonna get a chance to get a piece of my motherfucking happiness. My happiness belong to me. Let me keep playing this shit.
Be working there. So that is the information that Child Support Agency has.
All right. When did Mr. Dosh update you with that information, Mr. Loso?
Looking up when Mr. Dosh would have had contact with the department, but as I stated, the department did verify the information through the employer.
Now, another thing. Since he signed the shit and complied, they got him as they bitch and as they slave. He is the court's bitch now. He is the female's bitch now. He is the woman now. And this fat piece of shit lord ass is the man. This is the man now, and these are the men. He is the bitch. He gave up his dick and balls. He gave up his manhood. He went in there and complied and played the game. See, fraudsters use that word comply when they a goddamn lie. Let me keep playing this shit.
So excuse me, I'm sorry, Mr. Loso, Mr. Dosh did not contact the child support agency and say, hello, this is Mr. Dosh, and I'm just letting you know I had my interview just like I told you I was going to the next day, and I've been hired and I start on February 24th. He didn't do any of that?
It appears as though he did let us know.
Now the bitch got a mocking. You see that? The Bible says a woman does not have authority over a man. So what do we have here, fellas? We have a woman usurping authority on a voluntarily man. He ain't a man no more because he gave up his manhood. So she's usurping her authority over him. She just mocked this dude in court. She's punking him. She's emasculating him. Because 9 times out of 10, his so-called friends that's around him, hey man, just pay the child support, man. Yeah, man, you got to go to court and this and that. Right? But these bitches I showed in this book, the women of court watch, they fought for this shit. Because she a bitch. She gonna put her pussy senses, her pussy intuition gonna match her pussy intuition energy to dominate the little cup cock. Make sense? Now he's getting bullied and punked in family court, a woman's court. This is a woman's proceeding, Nick. Let me keep going.
Where he was working, that he was actually working on the day of his first start date, so February 24th.
So he called on February 24th.
Correct.
Do not take apple cider vinegar before you see this.
Oh,
Vinegar
here we
works
go
to help
with
you
the
slim down in
bullshit.
3 special ways.
Damn.
And no calls are noted in our KID system prior to that date.
All right, we had our hearing on January 29th. So from January 29th to February 24th, he had no contact with the child support agency as it related to his interview and or whether or not he was actually offered a job and accepted until that February 24th date, correct?
I believe that is correct, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Mr. Dosh, I have to.
Did you see he tried to raise his little hand? Fellas, don't be this guy. Don't lay down your don't tuck your dick in your nuts behind your legs and pretend like you got a pussy. Don't do that. This is what he just did.
To ask,
Yeah.
do you violate my orders intentionally on purpose to piss me off?
No, so my understanding.
Did you hear what she said? Do you violate my orders to intentionally piss me off? See, she got a dick now. She got that dick, right? She got imaginary dick, and she want to see herself fucking him in the ass. So now she is mentally fucking him with her dick in his ass, punking him. Y'all see this shit? You violate my order? You want to piss me off? Knowing that she can't fight, right? Knowing that she can't fight, she was out on the street. No, she ain't going to talk to nobody this way on the street. No, she ain't going to talk to a man unless she got another man by her that's going to be a defender of her. And he going to get his ass knocked out too for not checking his bitch. Let me keep going.
Understanding is that after our last court hearing, I had Ms. Olson come up to me and give me your card, and she said that she was going to call the B&M utility to verify. So I figured that was it, that she would have verified through them. And I did call, and she said that she did talk to him. So I didn't really know if I had to call the child support agency since she was already calling my place of work. It wasn't that I was trying to not, I just thought that was being covered. Maybe, I guess I should have, yeah.
Another thing, this is how you know they're emasculating him right now, bullying punk. He up here explaining to a bitch his work, like they gonna be at work with him, handing him a monkey wrench, a pipe wrench, a goddamn a hammer or whatever. These bitches got to go, man. But hey, I blame the dudes for letting these bitches rule over them, have authority over them, usurping authority over them. See, that's what's wrong with America now. A lot of niggas that can't get pussy because they not man enough to slap a bitch, put a bitch in place, and none of that. Bitches love when you call them out. Bitches and hoes, slap them all. And women love that. Women love to be bent over. He's not that type of guy. He's a yes man. And he loves to get punked and bullied in fucking court. I'm different, fellas. I tell a motherfucker, hell no, I ain't giving you nothing. What a check here that you gave me that I owe you. I pay you right now in full if you can tell me that I done borrowed this amount of money from you. Man, get the fuck out of here. They don't care about these fucking children.
I just figured I was going to wait maybe for her to get a hold of me saying, okay, or, the courts, or however that works, to verify that I do work there. So I guess I didn't know if I still needed to, since she said she was going to get a hold of my place of work. I guess I was kind of confused about that.
Your Honor,
Okay, and I hear excuses again. Every hearing I hear excuses. Now, even if that's what you really thought and felt.
Now, at the beginning, didn't the bitch tell him to raise his hand and tell the truth, nothing but the truth? You see why swearing in don't matter? Because the bitch called it an excuse. Fellas, let me tell y'all something. Ain't no such thing as family law. Because you the owner, a man only lays law in his family, not no other man or woman. This shit was made up. Like I said, it's a program. This ain't no law. When niggas start ignoring these hoes, start doing what they want to do, the child support system will fail and fall overnight. But niggas don't want to do it. Men don't want to do it. Men don't want to do it. Men refuse to do it. What men want to do is participate and cause hell and havoc over a black dude and a white dude getting in a fight at a track meet. That will fuse them. But when it comes to a bitch punking them in court, right? They crickets. We got too many fake macho motherfuckers running around here. Need to look in the mirror and check themselves. Am I man enough? Because if real men rule this place, guess what? We wouldn't have that much violence. We'll have a few violence. We wouldn't have that much violence, but we'll still have violence. You get me? Violence will be down. But no, they take the father out the home. They let the bitches be in charge. And look what we got with the youth right now. The youth is fucked up. All the youth. They talking about they identify as shit. They they can have transplants. Motherfuckers shooting up schools. Black dudes killing themselves off rap music. White black motherfuckers stabbing, killing themselves. You know what I'm talking about? Because the father ain't there no more. It's chaos when they put a bitch in charge. And then you got the pussy court, which is child support court. Am I saying something? Hold on, let me answer this. ABA just stated that messaging child support and email gives them jurisdiction in child. We don't give them jurisdiction on shit. They don't give them a goddamn thing. Fuck the ABA because they corrupt too. They're a bunch of secret pedophiles. I'm gonna tell y'all something about the ABA. Can you imagine the conversations that these lawyers have about you if you don't know the law and if you don't read? You know they talk about y'all like a dog. You know that, right? I know personally. I heard some cold conversation, and I didn't say nothing. If you look, the only reason why they have jurisdiction, Gary, if you comply and if you sign and if you, like a dumbass, gave them your email. Now, if they get your email and you ain't giving your email and you have under their rules, you have to give their email. It's under their rules. You have to give them your email. But if you complied and gave them your email, then yeah, you're correct. Other than that, if you volunteer your shit, you correct. But if you unvolunteer, you didn't give them your email, no, it don't. They're a motherfucking lie. See, that's a spell because you need words for spelling. You got to spell a mother to order to cast a spell on a motherfucker. You need to learn how to spell fucking words. That's why they said a pen is mightier than the sword. And the word sword spelled backwards is what, fellas? Words. That's why we used to have a spelling test every Friday in school to learn how to spell and put a spell on motherfuckers. I am a spell breaker, nigga. Let me play this video.
You still knew your order from this court was to make a payment of $631.56 beginning February 1st. So we are now on March 3rd. Did you make that payment?
I've only been able to pay for our family wizard, which was 150, and I have the 349 that she's asking for on me today. That's been taking and plus my rent at home, I haven't been able to. I do remember you saying, is that going to mess up your payment of? And I did say, yeah, I should be able to do it. And I think
The bitch got him mumbling and shit, explaining himself about his personal shit. This is a mess, fellas. Remember what we said a long time ago. Anything outside of your home is not your responsibility. It's the woman's responsibility. If your children live with the mother, that is her responsibility. Housing, food, and clothing, because she want to play the victim and play the role as a motherfucking man. This is supposed to be a Christian nation. Now, this is a hypocritical nation. Everybody who talking about they're Christian, they a motherfucking lie. You a liar. You a goddamn lie. This is why YouTube shadow ban this channel, because they don't want to hear this realness. They don't want to hear this grown up talk, because I grew up this fucking way, nigga. Because you ain't see me out here stabbing a motherfucker. You ain't see me out here shooting at a motherfucker. You ain't never heard me go upside somebody's head and only in self-defense. Other than that, I ain't never killed nobody. I'm an adult, and I'd be damned if another adult tell me what to do. It's just that simple. I don't give a fuck what type. I don't care if you got on a costume, choir robe, acting as a judge. If I ain't break no law, you ain't got no jurisdiction over me. We don't have to do no dealing. You just a regular motherfucker. You just up there acting for now till before 5 o'clock. Real talk. This ain't about. This is one thing. This court shit is about money. You are a dollar sign to the American Bar Association if you can't read or fucking write. Remember when I said this? You are a dollar sign because they see you as a dumbass. A dumbass motherfucker. Real talk. Either through civil or criminal. And if you can't read and you got some dumb criminals out here, spread this video, like, share, subscribe, send this to the people that you know don't read books. Don't commit no crime if you can't read or comprehend. Don't commit no crime and then get caught. If you around a bunch of homeboys, y'all can't read no book, y'all talking about doing some dirty shit, don't do it. Go get a trade, make you some money. Stay out of trouble. Because I don't give a fuck what somebody say or think about me. I really don't. So, fellas, we been on this motherfucker for how long? Almost an hour. I ran my mouth for an hour. I went over the time limit. God damn it. Well, man, y'all have a good rest of this day. Like, share, and subscribe this shit. Send it over to people. Stop being punked and bullied by these hoes in court. Or by anybody, period. Peace.